Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be doing a get it all done with me. I'll be cleaning the entire house, so stick around for that. Okay guys, I'm going to start off by cleaning under the sink. Using my mixture of this is part water, part vinegar, and some pine salt, and of course I have my bleach. So guys, right here I'm just going to start off with the bathroom, and I'm cleaning out underneath the cupboard. Is it cupboard? Was it? So we don't know. Anyways guys, I'm starting off right here, and you see that little brown thing right there on the bottom of the cupboard. It's you know, the little medicine for your gut is so good, but at some point it spilled and it just got hardened up there. So I'm just using a toothbrush to clean it up, and that worked. At first I tried with the Scotch Brite. That did not work. I had to switch real fast. But guys, before I continue, if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tarisha. I'm a wife, a stay-at-home mom to a toddler. Her name is Tiana. She just turned 3 years old. And I'm sure you guys know by now because you must have watched my live pregnancy test video. I am currently expecting my second child with my husband. I upload cleaning videos, cooking videos, hair tutorials, and pretty much everything mom related, and being a homemaker and a stay-at-home mom and wife. I try to upload videos twice a week. I am currently going to do Vlogmas. I just found out that I'm pregnant and I'm in my first trimester, guys, and it has been draining. Like, I cannot keep my eyes open for nothing. So I want to stick with this and continue with the Vlogmas. I'm not sure how that's gonna go because it's not easy filming it and editing to be uploaded every single day, but I'm gonna try my best and stick around. So I hope you guys come out and show for me, because I'm going to try my best to do this for y'all, even though this baby is not allowing me to do anything. Like, literally all I've been doing for the past 2 weeks is sleep. Okay guys, I'm not completely finished because I need the shower curtain and stuff. We're going to the laundry. Those need to be washed, and then I'll come put those up after we come back later on today. But guys, there's the after picture of what under there looks like. I think I did a pretty darn good job, guys. Yeah, so we're going laundry to wash, and then if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like this video, share it with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, guys, and leave a comment down below and let me know what's your name, where you're from, and if you guys have any videos suggestions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your ideas, what you guys want to see, because I'm doing this for y'all. And I mean, this is my first year on YouTube, my first year doing Vlogmas, and I remember back then when I used to watch YouTube. I still do watch YouTube because I love the platform, and I used to always get so excited whenever my favorite YouTubers would do Vlogmas. I mean, Christmas is one of my favorite time of the year, and I just enjoy spending time with y'all, getting to know them, like, you know, getting to know y'all, what y'all do for the time leading up to Christmas. So any video suggestions will be appreciated. And again, guys, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you. I love y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you don't hear back from me throughout the video, I do apologize. I'm sure you probably hear it in my voice. I am extremely tired, and doing this voiceover now, I'm so sleepy, guys, but I'm gonna try my best and show up and show it for you guys. I love y'all.